Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gbyte channel. This video will explain how to unlock your iPhone without a passcode. If you've forgotten your lock screen passcode or entered the wrong passcode too many times, causing your iPhone to display, iPhone is unavailable, please try again later. If you've completely forgotten your iPhone passcode, you'll need to reset or erase your device to regain access, which will wipe all data, including the passcode. We'll cover 3 different methods to unlock a locked iPhone, whether or not you use a computer. If you're locked out due to forgetting your passcode or entering the wrong passcode too many times, you can also use these methods to unlock your iPhone 17 Plus, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, Apple's official method for unlocking an iPhone is to restore your phone using your Apple ID, which requires no computer and no passcode. However, please note that this method only works when your iPhone 16 is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you've forgotten your lock screen passcode, try entering the wrong passcode at least 5 times on the lock screen until you see the iPhone is unavailable message, then try again. You should also see the Forgot Passcode option at the bottom of the lock screen. Tap Forgot Passcode. When the iPhone reset screen appears, prompting you to erase and reset your iPhone, tap Start Resetting iPhone. Next, enter your associated Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple account, and then tap Erase iPhone in the pop-up dialog box to begin erasing all data and settings. You'll see a progress bar appear on your device's screen, allowing you to monitor the entire erasure process. Once complete, your iPhone will unlock and be factory reset. Swipe up on the Hello screen to complete the setup process. If you have a previous backup, such as an iCloud backup, you can choose to restore from iCloud. Sign into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Then select the most recent backup to restore your data. That's it. You've successfully resolved the forgotten password issue and can access your iPhone again without a password or Face ID. Okay, there's another scenario. You might have forgotten your Apple ID and password, or even not know the Apple credentials associated with your iPhone, or your device might not have a network connection, or the Forgot Password option might not appear. Let's use the Gbyte iPhone unlocking tool to solve this problem. You can click the download link in the description section below this video. This computer-based iPhone unlocking tool is designed to quickly unlock your iPhone without a passcode or Apple ID. Whether you're locked out because you forgot your iPhone's passcode, your iPhone is unusable or locked securely, or you can't access your iPhone without a passcode, this utility can help. First, on the interface, select Erase Passcode mode to reset your passcode. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer. If the device is not recognized, you'll need to put it into recovery mode. Click the Device Connected but Not Recognized link for instructions. Now, let's get started. Keep your phone connected. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the charging cable and computer icons appear on the screen. Okay, your iPhone is now in recovery mode, and the software can detect it. Next, confirm your device information and then click the Start button. The tool will download software for your iPhone, which may take a few minutes to complete. To begin the unlocking process, tap the Unlock button. During the passcode reset process, all content and preferences on your device will be deleted. After the passcode is reset, you will not need your Apple ID or passcode to access your iPhone. You will need to reset your device and restore it from a backup file you may have created in iCloud or on your computer. Another official Apple method is to put your iPhone into recovery mode using a computer and then restore it using iTunes or Finder. If iTunes or Finder is not working properly and you have forgotten your passcode, you can use the Gbyte Unlocker program to unlock your iPhone. Next, I'll demonstrate how to use iTunes on your computer to factory reset your iPhone and remove a forgotten passcode. First, launch iTunes. If you're using a Mac with macOS 10.15 or later, open Finder. Then, completely power off your iPhone. Connect the lightning cable to your device while immediately pressing and holding the side button. Don't release the side button until images of your computer and cable appear on the screen. Once your iPhone enters recovery mode, iTunes will prompt you to choose between updating or restoring. To reset your passcode, select Restore, then select Restore and Update. Your computer will restore your iPhone, download the latest iOS system, and erase all content on your device. After the restore process is complete, your iPhone will be unlockable without a passcode. Get ready to go through setup and restore your data and settings from a previous backup. That's it. These are 3 effective methods to unlock your iPhone without a passcode. You no longer need to worry about forgetting your lock screen passcode or entering too many passcodes that render your iPhone unusable or locked out. Hopefully, This video will help you easily regain access to your device. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more practical iPhone tips and tricks. Feel free to leave a comment below with your questions or thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.